Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. And I'm now realizing that I got like a kind of crazy amount of things, but let's get right into it. So the first things I got were these picture frames, and they're like kind of like rose gold / gold color. And they match my room, so they'll be perfect for that. The next things I got were school supplies. So first I got this tape shaped like a flamingo. And this was actually at the checkout. And I wasn't gonna get it, but it was at the checkout desk. And then they always put those things at the checkout that they know you won't be able to resist. I also got 2 planners. And this is what they look like on the inside. Then I got planner stickers. So I got a workout one, a just normal everyday planner one, and then also a planner one but with different designs on it. And then I also got this word search just to whenever I want to procrastinate. And I got these pens. I also got this dry erase board too. And it comes with the little marker with the eraser on the end. Also got this desk calendar. The next $1 things I got were in the electronic section. So I got this phone stand. Then I got this wall tap. So it plugs into the wall, into the outlet, and then you now have 6 outlets. And I also got this mini surge protector and screen protector for my phone. And then I also got this sewing thread set, and it comes with all these different threads. And then next I got a bunch of nail polishes. So I got all these nail polishes. I got these gel ones. Wet n Wild gel, and then all the last ones are LA colors. So I got these 2 pink colors. I got white, neon green, just to be dramatic, and then this clear Mega Grow nail treatment. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree twice, 2 days in a row, because they just opened like this new like huge Dollar Tree. And it's like the best Dollar Tree I've ever been to. So since I went on 2 different days, somehow I got a Mega Grow nail thing. And then I got a super strength nail builder. I got 2 things that protect your nails from chipping, but it was only $1, so. I got these nail polish remover pads. And these artificial nail tips. So they're like a bunch of press-on nails. So you can do your own like DIY nails. And then I got this nail glue as well. Okay, so the next thing I got was hair accessories. And I was really surprised that they had this stuff for $1. So probably the most surprising thing I saw was this satin pillowcase. And I was like, there's no way they have a satin pillowcase. So I was really excited about that. And it's actually like really good quality too. And I was like, I could prevent my hair from breaking off at night for $1. Then of course, I got more bobby pins because somehow bobby pins just always want to disappear. And then my favorite thing, satin scrunchies. And I didn't really need these because I have so many hair tools already, but I got this pack of like a million combs. I think it comes with 12 different combs. And then I was really surprised because they had flexi rods. So I got 2 packs of the big ones and 2 packs of the small ones. And then last, I got a bunch of makeup products. I got 2 false eyelashes. I got this makeup bag, a beauty blender, and for some reason I got 900 different eyeliners and brow pencils. So this brow pencil, this eyeliner / brow pencil, and then this twist up eyeliner pencil, and then this liquid eyeliner. And then I also got this eyeshadow palette, lash glue, and then 2 makeup brushes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.